Yeah, Daniel.
Okay.
Are you gonna skip?
Yeah.
Go ahead, skip. Show Daniel how you can skip.
And then
You want to sit?
I sit.
Wait,
She wants Daniel to sit.
you want Daniel to sit?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let me clean this out. Here, can you hold him for a second? Hold him for a second.
Hey, show Mommy how you can skip.
Yeah.
We'll have to vacuum it out.
Looks like very dirty.
Hey, come on, let's go. Show Mommy how you can skip. Can you skip?
Yeah.
Look what I see. What do you see?
I'm going to sit.
Might be on this.
Come on, Penny.
Ruff. You what? You what?
Oh, you don't know if the wolf is nice.